Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll be talking about XGR, which is an R package and a web app that was developed by a group of us in the J. Knight lab at the Wellcome Trust Center for Human Genetics, University of Oxford. Now, XGR was primarily an R package that was created to analyze the underlying information that might be hidden in some genomic summary data, so genes, SNPs, or genomic regions. And it does so through network and ontology utilization with the options to conduct enrichment analysis, similarity analysis, network analysis, and annotation analysis. And since XGR is primarily an R package, we do have it available on CRAN. So for those of you who are comfortable and familiar with using R, you can feel free to actually have direct access to the R package itself. We do have a user manual, so it explains the features and it runs through the different functions. And we do have a demo series on how to use, some cases that would be appropriate for using XGR. This tutorial will actually just give a brief overview of the web app version, which for those who aren't familiar or comfortable with using R, is a great alternative. It's just more streamlined and a little simpler and prettier than the R package itself. So we do have that as an option, and that's actually what I'll briefly be going through. I won't be actually going into detail for the individual functions. You can read about that in the user manual. I more so want to orient you around just some of the features or the layout. So off the home page, we have the option for enrichment, similarity, network, and annotation analysis with the different sub-options here. So I'm going to pick SNP similarity analysis as an example. Our input fields are quite simple. Instructions will be here, so in this case it's just inputting your list of SNPs with the selection of ontology as well as the population and whether to include LD SNPs or not. We do have optional steps here that you can tinker around with. Once you have everything inputted as needed, you click Submit, and you'll get an output that looks something like this. So a table that is searchable. It's interactive in that you can sort by similarity score in this instance. You can directly export it to Excel or copy it. You'll also have some visualization options. So here we have a heat map with the values, again, interactive in that you can hover over any value and it'll give you the underlying information. We also here have a circos option, again, a beautiful graphic that you can directly incorporate into your analyses. We have the option to download this. Both the circos and the heat map actually have the option to print or download as a JPEG or a PDF. The other functions are quite similar in that they'll have the same layout, so some kind of input with some optional steps that then gives you an output of the form of, again, an interactive table with, in this case, a subnetwork or a circos plot. So relatively simple to use, streamlined, flexible, a great alternative to the R package if you would rather have something like this. And we're hoping that a lot of you choose to use XGR in the future for your genomic analyses, and that you enjoy the package and the web app that we've put together. Thank you.